Hello everybody! In this video we would like to show how you can check the mobile or cellular data usage on this TCL Tab 10s. First of all, open up the settings. In here, head straight for the SIM card and mobile network category. As you can see, here we have the data usage section. That's what we want to tap on. And in here, as you can see, we'll have the detailed breakdown on how much data has been used or how many gigabytes or megabytes in particular of mobile data we have utilized. In my case, it shows 0 because I haven't used any myself, but I mean, in your case, you'll definitely have some information and some data over here. At least like the amount of used bytes or megabytes or gigabytes respectively. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.